everyone, I'm Nurse Jelyzza. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. I make nursing related videos. Today's video is going to be a glimpse of the life of a nursing student. These videos are from 2017 to 2020 and that's when I was in nursing school. But yeah, I graduated now, so I am a licensed RN. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just headed to school. It's like 9:30ish. Should take me like 20 minutes. Traffic's not too bad. It's just the parking. But yeah.
In the small intestine, is this why it's the meconium ileus is the first sign?
This is why we go to school together, to avoid all of that. Oh yeah, it's super traffic. We're gonna get some Thai food. We're really hungry. We barely ate. But I'm gonna show you guys like the whole studying process, because you know, it's not just school and stuff, it's the studying. Okay guys, so I'm studying in the living room. I have like all my stuff laid out, and this is what's really cool about this table. You can pull it out. Now it's like a big table. But yeah, we're gonna study right here. Okay, so we're gonna start studying, but in just a matter of like 10 minutes, there's so much junk food, and we're eating like cup of noodles. And yeah.
Study guide.
Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning.
Today is October
10th, yeah, Thursday, and
school canceled.
Basically. You guys, it's so windy. Guys, it is 9:15. I'm just doing my study guide, filling it out first on my laptop. Just going through all the PowerPoints and the book and stuff, and I'm just chilling in the bed right here. Nice and comfy, and I have this like pillow chair thing, and it's really comfy. And then Tim has the table.
One hour later. What are you doing?
Alright you guys, so I'm all done up. I have my hair and makeup good. I'm wearing So we made it to campus and we're parked in the structure and it's dead empty. He came with me. He has an 8 a.m. And I'm supposed to be at clinical at 7. He's so sweet and he wants to get out of here.
Oh yeah, I can hear it. No. You rotate, but don't push on the hard part. There you go. More and then twist. There you go.
You use only 1 second a day.
Oh, it turns on its own. Like
good.
Okay, so we're gonna do any different.
It's like 126 over 760. Why didn't your pupils change? Excuse me?
I'm so
Is
focused.
it because of the light?
Yeah, I think it's already bright right now.
Okay, let me turn off the lighting. Yeah, it was like a 4, now it's a 2. Put on some gloves. Already off to a rocky start, that's for sure.
See, there's some bluish colorations right there.
Okay, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be showing this, but I'm going to be taking my gerontology quiz right here. Quizzes that I have to do, those are actual assignments. They're supposed to be in class, but obviously class got cancelled, and then I'm going to get ahead into quiz 3 and quiz 4 study guides. Okay guys, so I have a clean desk. I have all my stuff set up, and I just added a few things in my calendar. Okay, so these are my med notes, and I do this because like I write it out on top of like typing this, because just meds are very, tedious. There's a whole bunch of, complications and side effects and adverse effects and stuff. This is my little brother's nursing book package. Look how expensive the books are. So that was first year, and then this is like second and third year, but wow. Not to mention ATI.